Well, guys, this was yesterday at Haulover Sandbar. I was there for a couple of hours and decided to take out the drone for a spin. So I was able to capture this awesome mangusta and one of my favorite, the Riva Corsaro 102. That's an incredible yacht. So also I want to remind everybody that the boat show is starting Wednesday and I'm going to be there filming for you. So if you have any suggestions of what is that you want to see, if it's big yachts, power boats, or center consoles, let me know in the comments below. Remember that I do this for you, so I'm here for you. So let me know what is that you want to see the most. Also, I want to thank one of the viewers that requested that I showed a map of where is the locations. I try to do my best, but I'm gonna get better at it. So his handle name is OSP Tony or something. I don't know how to say that word, but anyways, thank you, and I will try to do my best to show you the locations where I'm filming at. So for now, this is all. I will see you this week, and thanks for watching. Take care.